In 4 years, Ukraine's soundscape has changed. Now the wind carries sirens and the thunder is no longer a storm. It's a steel striking soil. 4 years is a long time to live with your ears constantly braced for impact. And yet, amidst the roar of war, one sound persists, the sound of rebuilding, the strike of a shovel, the murmur of those returning home, and the indomitable heartbeat of a nation that refuses to be silenced. The Russian regime's invasion sought to subdue them, but it met with a symphony of courage. Today, in Buenos Aires, 13,000 kilometers away, the echoes of resistance ring louder than ever.